All right, just got off the plane, got my luggage from Lisbon. I'm in Zurich now, about to catch the train into downtown Zurich. Got my luggage, so this is what you do. You go find the train, find the train station. We'll go down the stairs here, hop on the train, and then make the small trot over to my hotel. It's about 8 o'clock right now. Hungry. Gonna get some grub. But this is travel life. So just getting in the elevator to go down. Here, SBB Railway is where you're gonna want to go get your ticket before you can actually get on the train. So whenever you see the SBB Railway, boom, go there, get your ticket. Look, Starbucks. We love Starbucks for the Wi-Fi and the bathrooms normally. So if you ever don't want to go do the ticket at the station, a little automated station, there is a ticket office right there. You can go and they'll help you out getting to your destination. But when you become a avid traveler pro, you can just go right over here and there will be rail tickets billets here for you to be able to put your information in and go for it. So what I do here first is I usually make sure that I put it in English so that I know where the heck I'm going. Looks like it's in English now. We're going here. We're going to actually put our destination in, and I'm going to put in, actually I'm going to pick this one, which is the fast one. It gets me there in 10 minutes instead of the 34. So I'm going to go here, that in. Second class ticket is usually fine. Then you're going to put how many tickets you're going to buy. So we want to use the Chase Sapphire because we get 3 times the points. So that's what we want to use when we're doing anything with transportation. All right, so transportation, Chase Sapphire. Remember that. So now that I have my ticket, it's on the screen. I forgot to show you. On the screen, it showed me that we're going to go to track 3. So now that I'm going to track 3, I'm going to head down here. We go down to the train. It says track 3. Take myself down here. What's great is if you look up here, everything's in English. It's the universal language, people. So when you travel, a lot of times it's not that difficult to find stuff in English, which makes it really easy for us to get around. Look at the lovers. This could be you. But no, your crusty ass is in bed, laying up, not realizing that there's millions and millions of people out here that want to show you love. You just got to get out, go see the world. All right? Get out and see the world. Now, check it out. So, what I want to show you over here is above the tracks, it's going to show you your destination. And then it also shows you the tracks. So see up there, it says this is the one we're using, 2015. And we're class 2. It's going to show you class 2. So right here, it's 1. So we're gonna go down a little further and head over to class 2. And then we wait. One thing to notice is that they are on time, boy. These trains don't play around. They're always on time. Sometimes you gotta run to get on the train because people be like mad getting on like fast. But it looks like this train has a lot of seats, so Gucci. Yeah. Now we'll take a 10-minute ride to the city. 10-minute ride to the city and walk to the hotel and get some food. Peace.
This train ends in Zurich. All passengers are kindly requested to leave the train. Thank you and goodbye.
So we're approaching.
Ihre nächsten Verbindungen der Intercity nach Bern, Fribourg, Lausanne.
They'll explain it to you in English and in their native language. So it makes it really easy.
20:34 Uhr, Gleis 17. Intercity nach Basel 20:34 Uhr.
All right, we're back at it. Now, just touched down in HB, the main train station. And I'm gonna head, trying to find this hotel. That's where it gets fun.
Abfahrt 20:36 Uhr, Gleis 16.
All right, just got off. Now I'm heading to the hotel. It's all right. It's a seal post. I always have the most difficult time trying to figure out which way to go, but the good thing is when you get out, either way you go, if you want to catch a cab, it's easy. Cabs are everywhere. And you can just come right down here and you'll see a bunch of cabs on this street, or you get off on the other street. There'll be a bunch of cabs too, but you'll be right into the downtown area. All right, anyway, signing off. See you when I get some food in the hotel. Peace.